Alright, so I got a few questions if I could do another high-speed run, top-speed run, and with a few digits, so I will try to shift down if possible if the limiter kicks in, as the comment suggested. And also someone told me that it would be good to switch off the electronic stability control, but I took out the fuse, which means you can see here that there's no electronic limiter whatsoever at the moment. The whole fuse is out for the ESP and stability control, so let's see if that will work, which also means that you can actually do burnouts like a muscle car at the moment with this car. Let's see if we can beat the top speed. That the Durango Hellcat is really limited at 280 kilometers per hour or 178 miles per hour. If I switch to the pages, you will see as well. This guy wants to go front. You will see as well that the pages will show that it's no higher top speed, 288 kilometers per hour, and 179, so I did 1 kilometer faster I think than it was, or 1 mile faster, but still I definitely felt that the limiter kicked in. I actually don't know what the speed the winter tires could last, but they did a good job. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up, and if you want to see more like this, then please subscribe to the channel, and I will post more content like this.